Sadly, it looks like our last year with Dean Wilson after coming out earlier this year saying that this is going to be his final Supercross season. Well, it looks like it's going to be cut a little short, saying on Instagram today, quote, "Well, fuck. I am so mad at myself. Solid top 10 in the books for Daytona, rode solid all main. Just over a lap to go, I barely made a mistake in the rhythm and I got grabbed by a soft spot and threw me on the ground. I got up as fast as I could, went to pick up the bike, but my shoulder felt off. Ended up breaking my scapula in 3 spots. I am so frustrated at myself. I was in a good spot for a good finish and boom, it's over. Gonna do all I can to heal up and be back for the last few Supercross races. Gutted for my team and my fans, wanted to be out there, da 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 da. The last injury I had was a foot peg in my ass, so it's been a solid couple years, but unfortunately, this is how the game goes. Thank you all for the support, and it just sucks because I personally really like Dean Wilson. He's one of my favorite riders, you know, just from being a good personality. Yeah, he's never going to be or he hasn't been a championship contender in years, but he's just a good guy. From making his YouTube videos, giving out bikes to young kids that like probably don't have the funds or the backing to do it, and just being an overall cool guy, making fun content and just being around. It sucks to see this, especially on your last year. You never want to see somebody injured in general, but especially in like the Twilight Tour, however you want to call it, to be injured and now hopefully making the last few rounds. But even then, you're going to be not in contention. You're going to be even weaker than you were, and it just sucks to see. Especially like Daytona was a crazy track, and it at one point it was. I was looking at the timing scoring, and he was 10th. And then you look at the very end of the lap and you look in your 20th, and it was like, what happened to Dean Wilson? I figured he just fell and, got caught in a rut or whatever, but I didn't know he got injured, and it really sucks. I don't know. Hopefully he does make it back for the last couple rounds and we get to see him before that. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down, well, go down below and comment. Did you like Daytona? Are you happy Jet won? Happy Vial got his first win at Supercross? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.